Welcome back to weekly analysis and more importantly, how my indicator. I'm keep on saying again and again one of the best work I have done in my career, and I have hopped onto many fields as you guys already know, whether it's hacking or powerlifting, breaking records, trading, programming, so many things, right? But this is simply the best work I have put in, right? So we're gonna backtest the raw each and every signal indicator gave. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, is tools.wait.zone. You will get the access to two indicators, Sniper 1 or Smart by Incel, and then zero day protocol, which is a negative order model, and Sniper 1 is a positive order model, and you'll be getting a 3 months access for this, and we'll be closing in 10 days. And there's some bug with this timer I need to fix. Thing is, I'm handling everything myself, coding, website, everything, but nonetheless. So I will be testing each and every signal it gave without following the rules. There are few rules which you need to follow while executing this indicator. Like if there is an imbalance or fair value gap, let me just draw. Let's say the indicator says buy here and there is a imbalance or fair value gap, right? Usually you should put stop loss below here, 2 pips below here, because it's a break of structure. However, if there's multiple imbalance, you can literally put SL here and easily catch one or move stop loss, keep on capturing, right? Which we will hopefully see today. And let's go then. First one is AUD CAD, and all the pairs works really good. Even XAUSD being working actually surprisingly good on 5 minute chart, which I'm gonna hopefully get to show today. Actually, one of my students told me he's been executing on the, not student, but the one who bought the indicator told me he's been executing on the M5. I'm like, that's crazy, and I'm saying it's working like crazy, right? Anyway, so the when is the Monday? 24th June, Thursday, Friday, and the Monday, right? So this is the Monday. Yes. And this is literally helps to calculate the win rate, right? We had a nice sell signal here. There is an imbalance. This is what I was talking about. Usually stop loss should be put here, right? Or if there's an imbalance, you can put somewhere here. If there's an order block, you can put it at the EQ. Let's see what happened in this trade. We had a sell here. We're going to put the stop loss here. And the market gave us 1.1 hour very quickly. Boom, bullish candle, hit our take profit at 1 15-minute candle. So I will enter 1-0, right? One win. That is on the AUD CAD. I've got to go through all the pairs and literally enter all the signals. Okay. For example, one of the rules is always follow signal when it's in the trending market and ignore whenever there is in the consolidation market. But I will take that also. Okay. So we just had a one trade on Monday, decent trade, nothing crazy. But on the Tuesday we had a crazy trade, right? It showed to signal the buy here somewhere there. There's some value imbalance, you could have put stop loss somewhere there, right? And captured quite literally 4 hour, right? However, we will always take profit at 1 hour, right? Less or more win percentage is always better for prop firms. Why? It will automatically ticks the, as long as you're risking right and consistency, it automatically sees so many prop firms rules which can be annoying, right? So always book it 1 hour and then start trailing basically, right? So we had two wins on AUD CAD on the Tuesday, which is the great trade. Other beautiful buy here. Again, this is the example I was saying. There was a fair value gap, right? Or imbalance, right? There is an imbalance. You could put the stop loss here, right? That's what exactly I was talking. Instead of putting the break of structure somewhere here. For example, if you double click here, I have coded to show the stop loss, right? So stop loss is showing here because it's the latest proper swing break of structure. Still it take profit, but you could capture more or better win rate, right? We have a fair value gap. Classic support and resistance is here. You have to put somewhere there. And easily 1 hour, right? And also ran for crazy. Anyways, we have 3-0. And then we have a pretty much Asia session, which is recommended to be cautious of or avoid or riskless. But I've been noticing few pairs are also working very good on Asia. So It's not like a written rules, guys. You always backtest for yourself, collect data at least for 2 months or 3 months. You'll get to some idea and then collect more data, start forward testing and executing on the funded accounts or live accounts, right? Other buy here on the Wednesday. Time ad get absolutely killed this week. 4 wins, 0 losses. That's set for your week. That's set for, right? If you're risking $1,000 to say $4,000 in 4 days, whatever, right? And you have not done it. And finally, we had a stop loss here at the Asia session. Again, this thing is not recommended to trade or riskless, but I'm gonna register as a loss. No issues at all. Okay, and a nice buy with a boom take profit level. Another win. Boom, another win. Again win. Again the same example. There is an imbalance. You put couple of pips below here. The TP, another TP on the Friday. So 2 more wins with the 8 wins and 1 loss with 88.9% win rate on AUD CAD, right? Again, guys, if you find any bugs, smaller bugs while on the indicator, just let me know. I will work on fixing it. Okay. So 8 wins. There's $8,000 with $1,000 risk, minus $1,000 because when we lose, we always set the risk, right? So $7,000 net on AUD CAD, and we have not done it. We are moving into AUD CHF, right? Monday is here, right? Okay, am I in 2026? Yes. Monday started here, right? On the Asia session, we had one sell, whatever it take 1 hour easy, stop loss above here, right? Okay, to the adjust here as well, and then buy with a TP, and then this buy with a stop loss, right? This, so 2 wins, 2 losses. Again, this consultation period, Asia session, not recommended at all. Should I just continue with this, right? What was the stat for this? 8 and 1. Let me just update. And then we had 2 more loss, right? 2 more loss and 2 more wins. So 1 2 1 2. This buy easily TP stop loss below here or the imbalance, or even here with the 1 or easy, so it doesn't really matter. This sell would be beautiful, right? We have an imbalance here, right? We're exiting on a 15-minute time frame. On the lower time frame, this would be some kind of an order block as well whenever we see the crossing like that. This where technical knowledge does help. So to learn some basic technical knowledge, which is obviously I have covered so much in my Instagram. Hit the 1 hour, who cares? So another win. Again, I'm just capturing 1 hour and doing a calculation. These are running like 2 or 3 hour. You might like get a little bit less win rate, but your equity cover will be very, very good, right? It will be way more, 30-40% more than 1 hour, right? So yeah, beautiful sell. I captured this 4 hour and then posted on my Instagram, and I told I'm done for AUD CHF, both in Discord and Instagram. This is a 4 hour trade, and we had a few losing series, right? These are the TP imbalance, stop loss here, right? But this was the right short here, couple of pips above here, right? Yeah, 1.4 hour, so 1 more win. However, I think we have 2 more loss here. I didn't take this trade at all because we already had a big momentum. I already captured this R, this great sell. So whenever you have a big moment, obviously price like to consolidate and then either goes down again or reverses, right? Here we have a sell at this candle, so that's a short, and we have an imbalance here, and this would be like a negative or whichever hit the stop loss. So 2 losses there, which is fine. So for 14 wins, 5 losses, right? And then we had a nice couple of wins here. We put the stop loss somewhere around here, and easily caught the 1 hour. So 2 more wins. And also journal, guys. Okay, always journal. So this is fine for me. These stop loss fine because it's 7 8 pips 10 within 10 pips. If the stop loss is like 40 50 pips, just ignore the trade. Who cares, right? Again, these are not recommended windows. Another stop loss and another win. We have an imbalance. Stop loss would have gone here, hit the 1 hour, right? But however, this was a stop loss. So 1 win, 1 loss. 3 easy wins for 1 hour. So 19 wins, 19 wins and 6 losses, and we are still at the 2 pairs. Okay, so 19, let me just update. 19 wins would be $19,000, right? And how many losses we had here? 6 here. That would be $6,000 loss. And you are up $13,000 for a week. Wait, we still have so many pairs to go, right? I say based on specific condition, I am executing on the bot as well. However, with the prop firms, there are some rules and all, so I'm just running on my live account. But I might, if you want, if you're interested in bot as well, let me DM me and let me know. Okay, so $13,000 up for a week with a 76% win rate already. $19 wins, 6 losses. Let me just update. 19 and 6. And where is the Monday? Wednesday, Monday. This is Friday. Okay, we have 1 win here. Clean win, right? And this is a clean loss. Sorry, so it's also win. It's a 1 hour. 2 1. And this should be sell signal stop loss there. Let's just see. This is with the stop loss as well. So 2 2. So I will just adjust it to 21 and 8. Right? This is with the 1 hour because of the imbalance. Or might have hit the stop loss. We will have to see. Yeah, 1.1 hour. This is fine. This is with easily hit the 1 hour as well. And this is with the 1 hour as well. So we have a nice clear, right? There is not even a drawdown. See, easily. So we have 3 wins and 4 wins. Look at that. Right? Oh my god. Anyways, so we have 4 wins. Let me just update. And then this seller with the stop loss. This seller with the TP, I would imagine. It's break of structure, and then would have hit the 1.32 or. So 1 win there. That's it for AUD CHF. I will calculate the overall panel for the week at the end. So 26 and 8, remember that. 26 and 8. I'm just speed running because I need to do weekly analysis as well. And it's 12 already. Actually, I had fever. So where is the Monday? USD gave some beautiful, yeah. This is the Monday. I think I did a video on this, right? Yeah, we had a clean. There's 1 stop loss, 1 win, 2 win, right? 2 1, 2 and 1. And then we had a clear buy, which is the stop loss hit. Again, this is like not recommended zone, but who cares? And then we had a clear win again, and then the buy again. 2 1. And win again. Win again. 3 more wins, these 2 as well. 3 more wins, another win, and easy one would have been hit here, right? So another win. That is how many wins there? 1, 2, 3 wins. Okay, let me just update. 1, 2, 3, and then this. So this was beautiful, right? Beautiful. I would have been a little cautious because here is inside the zone. We have one plus point. We had a big imbalance. Whenever there's a big imbalance, it's like to fill. So I wouldn't have risked for perhaps the full portion size, but it's just beautiful, right? One win, beautiful sell, right? Let it catching at the bottom and the top. Another win, so 3 more wins there, and this would have hit deep. I would imagine, right? There is an imbalance, so 4 wins there already, right? So this would be like something like that. Because there's an imbalance, I wouldn't put stop loss here, which is still the break of structure. So I'd put somewhere there. See, I already captured one now, so 4 more wins. So combining with 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs, we have a 80% win rate already at 41 trades. That would mean that's equivalent to professional traders 4 months of work, and they get like 65% win rate. Anyways, so what else is remaining? Catch is remaining. Okay, I will reverse back test here. Right, let me go Monday, Wednesday. Okay, I came to Friday, I think. Where's the Monday? Monday we have 2 loss, 3 loss and 1 win. Again, if you just zoom out, these are just consolidation, right? Which is not recommended to trade, but I will enter all the signals anyway, right? Just raw. So there is a 1 win, 2 win, 3 win first, and then 4 win, right? What's the stat here? 41 and 10, 45, 24 wins, and then 10. And then we have 1 stop loss, 2 stop loss, 3 stop loss. So 10 losses will go to 13. And then we have a nice win here. So another win. And this would have hit the 1 hour as well. 2 beautiful cells. And 1 stop loss there. Well, this is technically not a stop loss. Here, stop loss would have gone here and perhaps would have hit the TP, right? We don't know. So I will just cancel that. We don't know. This is also undecided. Probably gonna hit this hit TP here, right? There's unmitigated gap. If this doesn't hold it back, looking at the liquidity sweep, should hit the TP, but who cares? Almost 80% winner, and then we're still remaining with the USD CAD. Where is the Monday? Monday was sell and buy. Beautiful, right? Look at that. Sell, stop loss here, hit 1 hour. Buy, stop loss here because there's an imbalance. Even if you put here, it would have been TP, but who cares, right? Okay, I messed up the start again. 49 and 13. And 13, and then we have a 3 more wins again. Break of structure with a TP, 1 loss. So 1, 2, 3 wins, and 1 loss, 1 win, which is 3, 4, and 1. So it should be 53 and 14 there. Again, TP there, TP there. This would have been avoided. There's so much big of a stop loss, right? Still would have hit the TP. Like if you put here, right, imbalance. Would have hit the TP nonetheless, but who cares? I'm entering everything, so this was a winner, this was also a winner, and this is also a winner. So 2 more wins there. And what else is remaining? GBP I'm just fostering this. GBP I don't trade much, but these are the main pairs, right? And then also Euro USD. Let me see USD because I took some trades on Euro USD. See, these are beautiful cells. sell, beautiful sell. All these would have hit TP, right? This is also beautiful. Again, this have hit the 1 hour, right? Beautiful buy, beautiful buy. These two would have been stop loss. Again, around 80% win rate on Euro USD as well. I'll just avoid, I just need to do so much work. Again, TP, and then 2 TP, 1 loss, 3 wins, 1 loss. See, I'll just enter the last 2 days, whatever. So what was the stat like? 55 14. 55 would be like 59. 14 would be like 15. And because I want to almost 80% win rate, I wanted to show the Euro US, sorry, a gold one, which everyone likes for some reason, on the 5-minute chart. That's why I'm just, yeah, that's why I've been speeding. When is the Monday? Okay, on Monday we have a sell there. We'd be able to stop loss would be here, and then we'd have the TP, right? Sell. There's a couple of imbalance, so I will just adjust it here, and we'd have hit the 1.7 hour, right? But what's the stat though? 59.15. Again, would have hit the 1 hour easy. Whatever, one would have hit the 1 hour. Again, sell would have hit the 1 hour. Multiple hours actually. Again, it is different from this 15-minute model because it's a 5-minute model. So it is stop loss, I guess, right? And then this would have hit the TP, and then would have hit the TP as well. So overall, I think it gave like more than 80% DCs. Look at that. Again, consider this as a stop loss. So around 80% win rate again for the XAU USD, right? So let me just calculate. This would be like 1 stop loss, 2 wins. 1 stop loss, 2 wins, and 2 more wins, 3 more wins. See, sell. Okay, I kind of messed up. I'm in a hurry. So this was Wednesday, 1 July. What? Oh, yes. We are in July, right? I confused so much. Stop loss. Win. Okay, I will stop here, okay? 67 at 80% win rate. Okay. Let me just calculate, right? So this week, it's just trading randomly all the trades. What would have been a potential profit? 67 and 17. 67 and 17. Yeah. So 67W, 17 loss. Risk $1,000 per trade. 67 is equal to $67,000. 17 is equal to $17,000. So the net will be $50,000. We haven't even looked at the CDP indicator, right? Which is meant for negative RR, which let me just look at it actually. So here is a CDP indicator. It will thankfully show the weekly PNL already with all the session, right? If you just execute it on the default session, it would be like $5,000 win profit weekly PNL with the 150K account or $50,000 tree accounts, right? It's all same. So $5,000 up on there. So the net to be, where did I lost? Yeah, $55,000, right? it's not it's not surprising me because I've been executing these things because yeah, I quoted the indicator and yeah, I've been executing this strategy for a while now. So and I've been trying to move pretty much lessen my profits. Don't get me wrong, like you should go for profits, it gives you great leverage, but the freedom you get with the personal account is insane. For example, let's say you make like uh 2 wins, right? 2 wins in a row, like this, something like that. $2,000 profit is immediate, and there's no rule, something like that. There's no threat to moving them moving into live account with eating all of your profits, right? This is happening a lot actually, but profit is good. Don't get me wrong. But I've been a swing trader for a long time, so I like live trading as well, live account. So $55,000 profit, which is how much? Yeah, 52 lakh with blind trading with the indicator. You're not following any rules, nothing. That itself is so crazy, and it's giving you a 80% win rate. 79.9, I think, for the week. 79.8, which is 80% win rate for the week, giving 67 across pairs, right? Again, if you combine ZDP, the win rate will increase obviously. So XAU, it's been interesting with the 5-minute chart, and 10-minute chart has a better win rate actually. I backtested for 3 months. Let me just open my Discord actually. All right. There's this weekly analysis is pending. Oh my god. Yeah, the updates you can quickly see. TP smashed on GBP USD. I was just letting you know for the team, and gold was booking that day. Yeah, on the M5 chart, I backtested on the 2 to 3 months, 2 months. 273 signals per printed. Again, taking random signals, right? It's supposed to be taken with the trend, but 10-minute has a 80% win rate actually. 3 months. The signal is less, but it's clean, right? This is the 4 hour I was talking about. Here to get smashed TP. I took it on the one funded account, I believe. Which one is that? Funded next or something. Anyways, so that's for the update on the Discord on the signal indicator. Now let's just go to weekly analysis, right? As usual, we always start with the DXY, and if you remember last week, my expectation was to this weekly candle was not printed. My expectation was to tap this high and this high, or come back, fill the intra-range liquidity, and then go up, which is exactly what happening. Is filling the intra-range liquidity, and then for the bonus sign, we are having this swing failure pattern again, right? There is a candle, previous candle, wicks and closes the body below. That is our swing failure pattern, right? So yes, that's what's happening. So as it comes down, all these pairs will be bullish because it's inversely correlated. If you were to go to daily, I had drawn a premium and discount. In discount, we look to buy. Premium is a premium price. We don't buy. Again, right? Again, if it does inverse this, again there's some decent support here, right? This could be classified as a bullish breaker with the combination of the what is this here? If I were gap, yeah, whatever. So yeah, it's been pretty much happening as we expected. Same with the Euro USD, nothing much. Right, on the weekly, I want to come down. Actually, this low looks good. This is the monthly imbalance, and we have an immediate intraday liquidity. We could tap that and come down to these two immediate liquidity levels or this order block. Okay, and we do have a high volume node, I believe. Yeah, see high volume node as well. So there's some resistance for your USD. XAU USD, this has been a bigger support, right? This red line is nothing but a monthly unmitigated fair value gap, which is like a magnet. See, and then weekly intraday liquidity, weekly low, and there is also this VPOC is nothing but the weekly negative point of control. So there's so many support zone here for the XAUSD. So watch out when it arrives in this zone, right? And as per the immediate price action, we did the swing failure pattern of the previous week, That's why it's seeing a bullish momentum. And but however, we're hitting for some real resistance, which is there's an inverse fair gap here. The broker is left up here, but it's actually an inverse. That's one. However, the square box is where there is an order block, has a confluence of the weekly negative point of control. So overall these zones, right, at the premium, if you were to draw the Fibonacci, is a key resistance zone. And that's for the quick weekly update. And the other update is there is a new website launching. Okay, I just hide the URL bar because it's not finished yet. Popfrom.wait.zone, which is not up yet. I have to attach the subdomain. Okay, it's not loading because it's got attached. Wait a second. Let me just remove on the settings. Are you serious? When I loaded, oh my god. It is the website which building, right? It's almost over. So basically, this is the let me refresh. This is the amount of I will recalculate. I'm in the development stage, but this is a rough estimate. But I will properly recalculate the amount of evaluation, like funded accounts we have already given away, and our aim is up to $2 million. And once it's done, we will restart again with funded accounts every month. How to participate? Obviously, you should follow me at Vedachal, open an account, and then submit email here. This is the main step. Follow, open an account with this link, which is my link, right? The code funded. Again, code funded giveaway is open, guys, and this site will be up very soon, probably tomorrow. And every month you can win a free giveaway accounts here. This is one spot like where you can get so many giveaway accounts and track it. And if you have any suggestion to add to this website too, let me know. And that's it for the update. And again, Tools.wait.zone is pretty much closing very soon. Make sure you test that. Right, monthly plan is already closed. In this plan, you'll get a 3 months access. If you want lifetime access, WhatsApp me. And Elite is 99999. Here you will get pretty much everything, all my indicator, all my strategies, one-to-one with me. There will be 12 to 15 classes where I will teach my swing trading plan, my intraday, my scalping, all those things, even 5 seconds only on this plan. Okay, and that's it. And there's another, the subdomain is working, and this can be a really game changer, which is a donation.wait.zone, where all this money will be collected. Pretty much 80% will be forwarded through donation. This will be lively tracked, and I have been in touch with my accountants like how to put everything together so it will be proper, and you guys can see it as well. And obviously join me as well with the great journey, right? That's it, guys. Donation.wait.zone is coming soon. Profam.wait.zone is coming soon. And don't forget to check out the tools.wait.zone. Pretty much a game changer. And that's it. See you soon in the next video.